Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you a fantastic little-known feature called Speak Cells on Enter. If you do a lot of data entry in Excel, this one's going to make your life so much easier. Step 1. Why you'd use Speak Cells on Enter. Let's say you've been given a stack of data to enter. Maybe your manager's handed you a printout, or you're copying numbers from another system. You've probably been doing that thing where your eyes dart back and forth, from the paper to Excel, then back to the paper again, just to make sure you typed everything correctly. It's time-consuming, it's tiring, and honestly, it's easy to make mistakes. This is where Speak Cells on Enter can really help. It reads aloud each value as soon as you press Enter, giving you immediate confirmation that Excel recorded what you typed. No more squinting at the screen to double-check. Step 2. Add Speak Cells on Enter to your toolbar. Let's walk through how to turn this on. Go to the Quick Access toolbar. That's the small row of icons above or below your ribbon. Click the drop-down arrow at the end of that toolbar. Select More Commands. This opens the Excel Options window. In the drop-down at the top that says Popular Commands, change it to All Commands, or Commands not in the ribbon either works. Scroll down through the list until you find Speak Cells on Enter. Select it, then click the Add button to move it into your Quick Access toolbar list. If you'd like, you can move it up or down in the order using the arrows on the right. Once you're happy, click OK. And now you'll see a new Speak Cells on Enter button on your Quick Access toolbar. Step 3. Turn the feature on. Even though the button is visible, it's not active yet. To turn it on, just click the icon once. You'll hear Excel say, "Cells will now be spoken on Enter." That means it's ready to go. Step 4. Try it out. Let's test it with an example. Here I've got a spreadsheet listing some board and card games in stock for a small store. And I want to add a few more titles. So in the next empty cell, I'll type Stratego and press Enter.
Stratego.
Excel reads it aloud. Not a perfect pronunciation, but you get the idea. Let's add another one. Settlers of Catan. Press Enter. It speaks it back. And one more. Uno Madness. Press
Stratego.
Enter. It's such a simple feature, but it's incredibly helpful for keeping your entries accurate, especially if you're entering a lot of data quickly.
$56.
Works great with numbers. It's a great way to spot typing mistakes immediately, without needing to glance up at the screen every time. Turn it off when you're done. When you're finished with your data entry, you can turn the feature off just as easily. Go back up to the Speak Cells on Enter button and click it again. Excel will say, "Turned off Speak on Enter." It's a simple toggle, on or off, whenever you need it. And that's it. You now know how to use Speak Cells on Enter, one of Excel's most underrated features for accurate hands-free data entry. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future Excel tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.